Not at you, to you. That's what I meant to say.
Where's my phone?
I don't fucking know. You had it last.
No, I gave it to you.
Brittany.
I gave it back to you.
Brittany.
Where's my phone?
Brittany.
What?
Ask this one. No, Rip. I'm videotaping you.
Oh, I can't. Where's my phone? I don't have my
There's
phone.
no more room in my stomach, but I keep eating.
Bitch says, hey honey, I miss you. We need to hang out soon.
Who?
Fuck you, bitch.
Who?
Fuck you, bitch.
Who said that?
I'm not Pat.
This bitch.
Listen. No, you're
Who said that?
Dude, you'll see if you look at your.
Yo, can I
Jess
take a picture of your
Olsen.
tongue?
That's what she said
No,
to me.
why?
Because it's really...
What?
I don't
Ah,
have it.
Brittany! I feel like I'm yelling at my 6-year-old sister. Get the
Okay.
fuck up. Put the cushion back on.
No, first tell him to give me my phone.
If you go to sleep.
No, if you give me my phone.
Oops, I forgot I was videotaping.
Give me my phone.
Guys, let's pretend we're on the real world.
Oh, man. Give me my phone. Key.
I have no
I mean, I'll
room.
probably fuck her though.
Who?
If she wanted to. Even though she's an asshole.
That you want?
You know.
He's thinking I'm hearing my phone.
What are you doing?
He doesn't have his phone.
Oh. But he doesn't have your freaking phone.
I don't have it.
Give her her phone.
Alright. Alright.
It was on the couch.
Sean.
Yeah, I just have it.
I don't know what your damn phone is.
Okay, look what I found. Okay, look what I found. Hi, I know you have my phone.
You hear that? Guys, shut up. Put her on video.
I don't have it,
I
motherfucker.
know you have
Britt, it's probably on the stairs. You probably put it there so you can have service.
it. Let me check. No. It's not
She didn't go
there.
up the stairs.
Was I up the stairs? Oh.
You were.
Pat.
I don't have your phone.
No,
What
but
do you-
Pat, listen. Pat, listen to me.
What?
You took it from Kate's room.
It's still in my
Ah, you
room?
dumb
No, it was on the
bitch.
couch in the basement.
Oh man, I missed it.
It was on the couch
I don't
in the
know if I
basement.
do. You just smacked me in the eye.
Are you mad at me?
No, they hate me, Kate. Don't worry. You just know that,
I don't hate you, you're just being a stoop.
Oh, what? Oh, like from Hey Arnold?
Not like a stupid ass.
You know, like
Like
Hey
that.
Arnold and he goes, stoop, kids, eventually this.
But he didn't mean it like that. Stoop kid actually didn't want to leave his stoop.
See this? I can't swallow this.
Does this volume work or what?
Yeah.
It's on like 70 and it's not working. That's on 35.
Well, his song is usually doesn't work. Oh. You probably saw me. I was like,
Check this.
we're acting like we're on the real world.
I always watch this, me and Mac, dude.
What?
I know, I watch it every time.
We land at the same time, it's fucking sweet. I watch like all
Wait,
these
you
other
on it?
videos underneath it. Did you ever watch those videos underneath it?
No.
Like, it's like all the waffle videos on YouTube.